In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to check if laptop has detected graphics card and how we can do this. So how many graphics card you're having or how we can check it, and this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. We need to type here for task manager, and what you need to do is we have to click on this. Once you get into the task manager, this is how it looks like. Try expanding the task manager over here. And right now go over here, click on the performance, and as you can see over here under the performance, it says with GPU 0, it says NVIDIA GeForce, which means this is my graphics card. So in my case, I'm having only one graphics card. I don't have two, I'm having only one. But to the users who are having two graphics card, it might have written here that is GPU 0 and GPU 1. So in my case, I'm having one that's called NVIDIA GeForce. If I go over, you can see this written here GPU, and the graphics card that I'm using is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. And this is how we can find it. And also there is another alternative way that is all about we have to go over here in the search and type here for device manager. And what you need to do is we have to click on this. Once you get into this, we have to go over here, try expanding this over here. And we need to go to the display adapters here. Now it says I'm having only graphics card like I said, but if I'm having two, I'll be having two options here, and this is how I can find it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.